Which organ controls all body activities? The answer is brain. Which organ pumps blood throughout the body? The answer is heart. Which is the largest organ in the human body? The answer is skin. How many chambers are there in the human heart? The answer is 4. Which bone is the longest in the human body? The answer is femur. Which system controls hormones? The answer is endocrine. Which organ helps in breathing? The answer is lungs. Which blood cells fight infections? The answer is WBC. Which part of the brain controls balance? The answer is cerebellum. Which organ filters blood in humans? The answer is kidney. Which is the smallest bone in the body? The answer is stapes. Which vitamin is produced in sunlight? The answer is vitamin D. How many teeth does an adult human have? The answer is 32. Which part of the eye controls light entry? The answer is iris. Which organ stores bile? The answer is gallbladder. Which system helps in body movement? The answer is skeletal. Which gas is essential for respiration? The answer is oxygen. Which organ helps digest food? The answer is stomach. How many bones are in the adult human body? The answer is 206. Which part connects muscles to bones? The answer is tendon. Which blood group is universal donor? The answer is O negative. Which organ produces insulin? The answer is pancreas. Which part of the brain controls breathing? The answer is medulla. Which organ removes waste through urine? The answer, kidney. Which tissue covers body surfaces? The answer is epithelial. Which part of the ear helps in balance? The answer is semicircular canals. Which mineral is important for bones? The answer is calcium. Which organ produces red blood cells? The answer is bone marrow. Which system carries oxygen in blood? The answer is circulatory. Which organ is affected by hepatitis? The answer is liver. Which muscle works without our control? The answer is involuntary. Which organ is responsible for taste? The answer is tongue. Which part protects the brain? The answer is skull. Which blood cells help in clotting? The answer is platelets. Which organ controls body temperature? The answer is skin. Which vitamin helps blood clotting? The answer is vitamin K. Which system removes waste from body? The answer is excretory. Which organ stores urine? The answer is bladder. Which part of eye forms image? The answer is retina. Which bone protects the lungs? The answer is rib cage. Which organ helps absorb nutrients? The answer is small intestine. Which system controls body responses? The answer is nervous. Which gland is called master gland? The answer is pituitary. Which organ produces bile? The answer is liver. Which part connects bones together? The answer is ligament. Which organ helps smell? The answer is nose. Which vitamin is good for eyes? The answer is vitamin A. Which system supports the body structure? The answer is skeletal. Which organ controls emotions? The answer is brain. Which organ is part of respiratory system? The answer is lungs.